So got some eBay. Mobile on eBay. X99 mobile. Okay, so we've got the X99A gaming. Well wrapped up. It's always good to put this on. Actually got a CPU in there. Oh wow, brilliant. Okay, that's fantastic news. I brought this just a Mobo, but it looks like they've thrown in the CPU, which I am extremely grateful for. Yeah, planning to put a 40 PCI lane Xeon chip in there so I can run a couple of 3060 12GB cards. The Nerf version, not the full limited hash rate one, so I'll have to investigate what chip is in here. Can't see, I'll have to clear off some of this thermal paste, and yeah, so look, that's quite an exciting upside from this. So yeah, all right, well, I'll do a part 2 of this video when we find out what CPU we got, and I'll go through some of the other parts we're going to be using for this build.